Hi, I'm Ravi. Welcome to Chotu, a grouping platform for gated communities or GC. With 80 apartments per acre, there are an estimated 3 million families living in these GCs in the top Indian metros. The GC residents are highly quality conscious, upwardly mobile, and have a strong spending power. The estimated household income is 40k USD per annum. They spend 10k USD a year on essential goods and services. This implies a $30 billion demand vortex in just 150 square kilometers. GCs have the highest consumption per acre in India. They present a dense, co-located demand with simple logistics. However, despite these benefits, when lockdown forced them to buy together, GCs failed as the concept of group buying is broken. Chotu connects the local shops, D2C brands, service providers, and micro entrepreneurs directly with the GCs. Each of the 6,000 GCs in top metros will have its own dedicated shopping portal. The demand is consolidated with group buy incentives and deliveries aggregated at GC level. The focal point of the business model is a GC. As more GC users buy on their portal, they get finer quality at better prices. As the trust accrues at a GC level, there will be more GCs and hence more brands who want to join Chotu. The brands in turn will get better market access to the discerning GC consumer. The revenue model is very simple. All orders on Chotu are individual and prepaid. The group buy incentive is credited only if the GC achieves the target. We get gross margins of up to 30% from the vendors. The inherent virality and consolidated deliveries reduce the cost by 60%. The unit economics like LTV and CAC will be defined at a GC level. Let us quickly see a product demo. This is the WhatsApp group of Unicorn Towers, and users have posted multiple pins. A pin is an offer from a brand to a community. Let's see a few pins now. Chotu is bringing Velanki sweets to Unicorn Towers. Naturals is coming to Unicorn Towers. And how do pins look like? Exactly like a Google Meet link. Now let's see what happens when you click on a pin. This is a pin page. Velanki is coming to Unicorn on 14 November to deliver. The deal is this. You will get 20% cash back if Velanki gets at least 50 orders from Unicorn. 13 more to go. Users can share this information on WhatsApp and Telegram. All the SKUs are listed below. Consumers can directly check out from here. Since you know the user is already in Unicorn Towers, we are going to ask only for the block name and flat number. Now let us see how does the community homepage look like. This is the homepage of Unicorn Towers. We have sweets, pedicures, saris, organics, bakery, head massage, personal trainer, weight loss diet. Pretty much everything which gets consumed at home is available here. The opportunities to innovate on this portal are limitless. Now let us see the UX of booking a slot with a beautician. This is the pin page for a beautician. She is coming on 20th October to Unicorn Towers and she is available on the following slots from 9 to 4 pm. The same deal works here. You have to give at least 6 orders to get the cash back. Let us see the UX of a boutique coming inside a community. With API integration, we'll provide complete shopping experience of a boutique inside the pin page like this. The dedicated GC portal is open and absolutely free to use. There is no formal sign-up required from the GC. Hence, we do not need any approval from the RWA. Our GC expansion is driven purely through C2C viral marketing. Pins make shopping easy, fun and fast through curated shopping lists. They are easily discovered on WhatsApp and Telegram. Group buying incentives make the pins very viral, enabling social commerce in a GC. In August, we launched an MVP campaign to test the group buying hypothesis. The results were very heartening. GCs are super excited to buy together. We saved 80% on the delivery costs. This gave us a fillip to start building the product. By design, we will not accept any orders beyond the GCs or on-demand orders. Hence, the location and time complexities are removed. This leaves us with all the resources to focus only on the best quality. My co-founder Ajay has earlier founded Easy Mandi, an e-grocery, and gave a tough fight to Big Basket in Hyderabad. Ajay will lead the vendor ecosystem and logistics. We have worked together at Airtel and have been friends for over a decade. I have earlier founded India's first telecom mall, TickTick. I hold a BTech from IIT Delhi and a full-time MBA from IIM Bangalore. I will lead the product, technology and marketing at Chotu. We are raising 500k seed in the safe mode with a 20% discount and a valuation cap of 5 million. This means that 500k will fetch a bare minimum stake of at least 12.5% and can be higher depending on the next price round. We will launch in 40 communities in Hyderabad and clock a 20 crore annual GMV. In 18 months, we will perfect the product market category fit and raise Series A to scale the business. We believe the time to cement group buying behavior is now, when the COVID scare is still prevalent. You can ping me at the given coordinates. Look forward to partnering with you. Thank you.